Hi, my name is Robyn Benson, and I want to welcome you to the Self-Care Revolution, where we are exploring health in a very deep way over the next 12 months, where we realize that there's a healthcare crisis going on right now, where 1 out of 3 people are obese or have diabetes. We're seeing an epidemic of fatigue, depression, and it's dramatically affecting the 20-year-old generation. And today I want to introduce you to a dear friend. Actually, this is Wesley Kress, somebody that I knew on my table as one of my patients when he was just 12 years old. And I think a lot about this generation when I think about the importance of self-care, because ultimately this revolution is about saving lives. It's about reversing disease, certainly, and preventing it in the first place. And how can we live a fun and fulfilled life in this time? So can you just give us an example of how, you're 24 right now and you've got a very full life, how you have chosen self-care and why you're supportive of all that we're doing here with the Self-Care Revolution, and you're part of the Self-Care Revolution.
Thank you. Robyn, Dr. Robyn Benson was actually treating me when I was about 13 years old. Acupuncture, she did a number of different alternative modalities that ultimately led me to be intrigued to go into alternative and complementary medicine. One of the things that I'm such an advocate of self-care is I grew up as an athlete, as someone who grew up in a family who did take care of their health through diet, lifestyle, and etc. And so one of the things that I notice is my friends, whether it's family members or people that are close to me, that they continue to lack energy. They lack vitality. They lack the ability to have joy in their life. And really, this should be something that's natural. And something that, I try to discuss with Dr. Robyn Benson is we need to have more and more responsibility and empowerment to the patient so that people don't feel like, victims of their circumstances, because we do live in a day and age where there are a lot more challenging circumstances around us, such as we're constantly exposed to pollutants and processed foods, and it's very difficult to go out to dinner without, filling your body with toxins and pollutants that normally, years ago, whether that was 70 years ago or so forth, we ate what you call real food. And we've now believe that processed food is real food, and it's not that way. And personally, I didn't give an introduction. My name is actually Wesley Kress. I'm a student at the University of New Mexico. I'm currently finishing my MBA. I got my undergraduate in marketing and finance, and my graduate degree is in accounting and finance. And I'm an aspiring doctor going into Doctor of Oriental Medicine. I truly do believe that people can live a life of joy and happiness and health and vitality, and it isn't as hard as we're making it out to be.
Just one question. So to all the 15 to 25 to 30-year-olds out there that are listening to you right now, what would be your number one message?
Well, my number one message is do not believe that the current health state that you're in, whether you're dealing with something on the emotional level of depression, sadness, or whatever, or the physical level of fatigue, sickness, or diabetes or cancer, don't believe it's an absolute. Don't believe that this is something that will continue to rule your life. There are things that can improve your life. And whatever health state that you're current in, you can improve it with so many different things. And that's starting with your diet, your lifestyle, and starting to exercise.
Thank you so much. So please join us, the Self-Care Revolution. You go to www.jointheselfcarerevolution.com. We're in month 1, and we'd love to have you explore food and thoughts as medicine. And we've got amazing panel of 60 expert speakers that we'll have all year round. We have 25 self-care coaches that will be here to support you. And again, we are here to be aware, be active, and to live a long, healthy, fun, and fulfilled life together.